In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your enrollment keys and groups so that students can enroll in your course. We're going to first make sure that you've properly reset your course from last year, that it's open for guest access. We're going to review how to create groups, and this fourth step is brand new and is required for your students to be able to enroll in your course. The easiest way to make sure that your class was properly reset from last year is to go into settings. My settings is up here at the top left, but yours may still be over here at the right. Mine's docked, that's why it's up here, but it really doesn't matter which way you access it. When you're in settings, you'll go to users and you'll click on enrolled users. This will show you a list of everyone that's currently enrolled in your course. So if you still have students enrolled in your course from last year, you'll know that you need to go back and reset your course, and you can do that by watching the video that says reset your NetSchool course. You can see that there are no students enrolled, so it was properly reset last year. The next thing you'll need to do is make sure it's open for guest access, and you do that in your settings. So again, my settings is up here at the top left, but you would just go to the right if that's where your settings are located. You'll just go to Settings, Edit Settings, and these are just the generic settings of your course, so you'll scroll down where it refers to guest access. Where it says Allow Guest Access, you'll want to make sure that that says yes, and you don't need a password for your guests to be able to view the course content. And this just makes it to where your course is open for parents to be able to view it, but it does not give them information about any students that are enrolled in the course or any student assignments. Now that you have those steps done, you're ready to create your groups in your NetSchool course. You create groups by going into Settings, then Users, then Groups. Your groups from last year should still be already in your groups unless for some reason you accidentally deleted them. If you did delete them, you'll just go to create a group for each class period you teach. So for example, if I taught a 9th period, you would just give it the name 9th period, and you set up an enrollment key that you will give only the students that are enrolled in 9th period. I'm going to set my enrollment key up as Carter 9. That way it's easy for me to remember. And I usually will have all class periods set up for Carter 1, Carter 2, Carter 3, so that each individual group has their own enrollment key, and that's the key that you give them when they're ready to enroll in your NetSchool course. Once you have all of your groups created by going over here to create group, then you're ready to do the last step, which has to do with adding an enrollment method to your NetSchool page. This step is brand new and it must be done before students can enroll themselves in your course. You'll just go into Settings, then you'll go to Users, you'll go to Enrollment Methods, and you'll want to add a method of self-enrollment, and this will allow students to enroll themselves in your course. So right here where it says Allow Self-Enrollments, you'll want to click that to yes because you do want students to enroll themselves, and you'll want to put a key in here, but this is not the key that your students are going to use. They will be using the group enrollment key. So it really doesn't matter which key you put in here because this will not be the one that you use. In fact, I make it just something cryptic that the kids will never be able to guess because this is not the one that they'll be using. Then right here where it says Use Group Enrollment Keys, you'll change that to yes because the students will be using their group enrollment keys that you have set up for them. This, you'll want to make sure that it is a default role of student, because whenever students automatically enroll in your course, you'll want to make sure that they're added as a student. Then you'll scroll down and click on Add Method. And at this point, you're ready for students to enroll in your course. Students enroll in your course the same way that they always have. They'll go to the NetSchool website and they'll log in with their network credentials. They can either search for your course by going through the categories, or they can just type in your name in the search box and it will pull up all of the courses where your name is associated. They'll click on the name of the course that they need to enroll in, and then to the right hand side of the course there'll be a button that says Enroll Me in this course, and at that point they'll put in the specific enrollment key that you have set up for them in the group section. And then they'll be ready to interact with your course. So just to recap, we made sure that you properly reset your course from last year, that your course is set up for guest access. We reviewed how to create groups, and we've set up the enrollment method that is brand new this year.